Eat Well plate. Hi, I'm Super Spud. Are you hungry? Well, I am. What do you eat when you feel hungry? Do you eat healthy food? How do you know what food is good for your body? Well, look here. This is the Eat Well plate. Look at all the food it has got on it. Look at all the colours too. I'm sure you know all these different foods. Do you eat them all? Do you like them all? Your body needs food from all these different groups. You need a balanced diet to grow strong and healthy. Look at me! So, why has the Eat Well plate got different sections? Look, which sections are the biggest? Oh yes, the green and yellow ones. That means we should eat these foods the most. And what have these sections of the plate got? The green section has got oranges, apples, strawberries, lemons, lettuce, and what is the purple one here? Oh, aubergine. So, on the green part of the plate is fruit and vegetables. And the yellow section on the other side is also very big. It has got bread, rice, potatoes, and pasta. Yes, that's right, I'm in this group. A spud is a potato, but you can't eat me. There are lots of other potatoes you can eat. So, why are these sections bigger? Well, these foods are not just tasty, they are healthy too. The foods in this section are very good for our bodies, so we need to eat a lot of them. This means that when you see a big section, you can eat a lot of the foods from it. We don't need to eat so much of the foods in the pink and blue sections, do we? Right. Okay, let's see what's in the pink section. Meat, fish, beans, and eggs. And in the blue section is milk, cheese, and yogurt. Do you drink milk in the morning? It's good for your bones. We call all these dairy foods. But where is chocolate on the Eat Well plate? Oh, here it is in this very small purple section. What can you see on this part of the plate? That's right, chips, a fizzy drink, and chocolate. But why are they all in the same group? Well, they are all high in fat, like the crisps, or high in sugar, like the chocolate. But these foods haven't really got anything good in them. We call them empty foods. They are the smallest section because our body does not need a lot of these foods. So, do you have to eat all of the foods on the Eat Well plate every day? Well, you should try to eat the foods that are good for you every day. But try not to eat the foods on the smallest section every day. They are tasty, but not healthy. Eat healthy, balanced meals.